Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's me Melly, and today I'm making slime, and I think it's actually going to work. So, I've got all my ingredients here. I'm going to tell you what I've got. I've got my spoon, I've got my container to keep it in, and it is also my mixing bowl. And then I have got 14 acrylic colours to colour it. Just put that to the side. I've got silver glitter. I've got baking powder. I have got PVA glue. 1 second, let me let the dog in. Go on, Izzy. Izzy. Wait. Sorry about that. So I've got a glue. And I have got Optrex eye wash. And if you've used this, you can find it anywhere. You can find it in the UK, and I think this is a really good UK activator. So all you need to make sure it has in is boric acid. There. Sorry, it's a bit blurry. But yeah, so let's move everything off to the side. Grab my mixing bowl. I am going to bring you guys closer. I don't know why that's there. So, let's start off with the glue, as you do normally. This isn't necessarily a tutorial. There we go. I'm hoping it will work with this glue, but if not, we have some, glittery glue which will work. Let's make sure it uses the tub. And if it works, we might add shaving cream at the end. So, we'll just leave it at that. And then now, I am going to activate it. And I will add all the colours and everything to the end. Because I've never actually made white slime. So, you're going to open your baking powder. And you're going to take a small pinch, really small, and just put it in there. If you can tell the difference, no, you can't really tell, the camera didn't pick it up, but you can tell the difference between the baking powder and the glue. And just mix that in. Not thoroughly, just generally. And then take out your eye wash, or if you're using a different activator, take out your activator. This is a glass bottle, and then it's just filled with liquid, and it comes with this nice little tub. So, and then just pour it in bit by bit. And it's good if you want to make clear slime, because it's clear. The only bit that might make it a bit not clear is colour or the baking powder, which will hardly touch it. And if it doesn't activate, you can add more baking powder, which sometimes helps. But I will go with more activator first. I'm going to go with some more baking powder, because even though I haven't mixed it in thoroughly, I can just tell already. There we go. I can see it starting to work. So I'm not going to pause this or anything because I want to show you guys actually how long it takes to mix in, because what really annoys me when I watch slime tutorials is that they edit it and skip the video and you don't know how long to just stand there and wait. Like, I could see my slime start to form in, but my mum told me to get in the bath, so I said let me finish making this slime and then I'll get in the bath. And I just kept and kept on mixing it, yet it never worked and it just frustrated me so much. It's like the video just needs to show you how long to just keep going. So I'm going to change to an upper view, and I promise I won't mix anymore. And let's just change camera views. So we are in this view now. I hope you can see. So that's at the consistency that it's at. Just grabbing my activator and baking powder. Baking powder definitely helps, even though I just dropped it on the floor. Right, now that I've added a lot of baking powder, I can tell that it's activator that I'm short on. And you can just tell that it's coming together. This bowl's annoying to mix with because it's got bumps that stick in. Don't worry. I'll tidy it up. This probably looks really weird now that there is this on the side. It's because I don't have a tripod stand. I have been looking at them on the internet and I'm thinking on buying one. It looks really good to get the upper views. Because I don't have one of them, I actually put you guys on top of my microwave and then it actually works. So yeah. So that's how I've managed to get glue on the... I think it's this glue actually. This really annoys me because my dad says if this fails I'm never allowed to make slime again because we are both ill. We're off work and school and I've just been nagging him to make slime all day. This is the consistency. Close up. Super frustrated about this, but I think it's working, so I'm just gonna keep mixing. It's definitely this glue though, so from now on I'm going to use glitter glue. Excuse how I'm mixing, it's just this bowl that frustrates me a lot. Does it look like it's working, guys? Comment down below right now and pause this video. Is it working? So then if I decide to stop, that I know it was working and I just need to keep following what I was doing. If I ever choose to do this again, or my dad ever lets me. I think I'm going to switch back to table, seeing as it's going like this, so let's switch back. So I switched back, and that's all the mess in the microwave, but, you know, I don't want to use it all. Because this is for my dad, because he's ill. It's definitely working. Doesn't look like it from your guys' angles. Looks like it to me. Because if you just look, you can see it all stringing from the edges, trying to pull away, and you can just see it thickening up. And they're just the main things to look out for when you're trying to activate your slime. It's so stiff. Because it's forming bubbles in the corner. My arm aches. So I am going to keep mixing this. I know I said I'm not going to pause it, but otherwise it won't upload to YouTube, because for some reason my camera doesn't let me upload videos more than 15 minutes long. So we're at 11 minutes now, and hopefully I'll come back for 12 minutes and a half. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys when the slime's starting to work. So I've just added shaving cream after a monstrosity of mess and it not working, and the shaving cream has activated it. And I'm so glad the shaving cream has activated it, because it's empty. I've used it all. It's still sticking, but I will need it. I need it. Whether my life depends on it. It's not too sticky, but I can add some lotion. So, right, so before, when I thought it was slime and it wasn't slime, I got it all over I got it out of the pot because I thought it was slime, and I got it everywhere. So it's literally under all the table, over all the table, on the floor. I got on that jacket, which it goes out with. Sorry about that. I'm trying to pick up slime, then it just got stuck to the box. It's a good slime. Just a sticky slime, and I can't do anything about that other than add more shaving cream. So it's still quite liquidy. Doesn't hold its shape too well, but it's still a slime. Yeah, that didn't work. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any better UK recipes which aren't that expensive, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!